Well, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So now I'd like to tell you how to use a quiz maker. So I use Google Forms. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Afdhaliah. I'm from English Education. I have ID number 16520410008. Okay, let's start it. So the first is open the browser. So I use Google Chrome here, and then enter or open drive.google.com. So if you open Drive Google, you should use your Gmail account. Okay, in the Drive Google, we click New, More, click Google Forms. Okay, so I want to make two sections here. The first, it's about identity. So I want the students to fill their identity first. So we type here identity. Okay, and then for the question, the first is their name. Okay, we choose short answer. So many kinds of the questions that we can use. There is short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, and etc. So for the name, it's short answer. Okay, so if the student open this quiz, they should fill the name or the identity first. Use short answer. Don't forget to activate require. So if they have to fill the name first if they use require. So if they don't fill the name, they cannot to move to the next section. Okay, here there is a question. I want them to fill their class. Okay, we use the kind of drop down question, so they just can choose one of the list of the classes here automatically. 7A for example, and move to next option is 7B, and then 7C. So there is 3 classes. Don't forget to activate require. Okay, so it's about the section of identity. It's the first section. For remove to the next section, just click this add section. Okay, for the next section is about the question. So the quizzes, it's about daily tasks. Don't forget to make it this section as the quiz. Click settings, quizzes, and make this a quiz for the section of quiz daily tasks. Okay, the description, because we focus on multiple choice. The instruction of multiple choice here I use choose the best answer of each questions below. Okay. Add a question. Question number 1. So I give the question or quizzes about singular and plural. These are 5 blah blah blah. Okay, it's about multiple choice. Don't forget to make require. Option 1, for example, books. Option 2, book. So I just make 2 options. And then decide the answer. The best answer is books. To make it point for each number, I give 20 points if the student answer the correct and choose the correct answer. And then the next question, add question again. So we click this one. I can press example. This is blah 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 apple. Option 1, A. You can also just click enter on the keyboard to move to the next option. And answer key is and the point 20. Okay, don't forget to make it required. So the student just can choose one answer. Okay, so we have 2 sections here. First is about identity, and the second is about the test or the quiz. And then we can send it. Okay, you can send it into email, maybe for your email or others, and then this the link you just can copy and send for all of the students that want to join the quiz. Okay, let's see the preview of this task. Yeah, the first section is about identity. For example, Afdhaliah, name. In the classes we choose drop down before, so we just choose one of the list of the classes. Okay, next. So these are 5. For example, I just put, and then we use it in A4. Submit. Okay, after the student answer all of the question, they can view the score. Now, for the first number, I'm wrong, so I just have score 20 because I just have correct answer, one correct answer. Okay, I think that's all for this tutorial to use Google Forms as the quiz maker. I hope you guys can enjoy this tutorial. Thank you for your kind attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.